Hello there, we're going to talk about preventive maintenance with workbench, part 3. We're going to talk about the renew filter. The first example is chemical filter assembly style. Assembly style means that the filter is a whole assembly without inner filter or outer shell, and this type of filter is just like this. This is the filter body and the chemical inlet and chemical outlet, and there are two valves. One valve is a purge, another valve is drain. And this filter we are going to replace is a used filter. And we open the purge valve to release any pressure inside the filter. And open the drain valve to drain the residue of the dear water, the chemical. Most amount is dear water, because this time the filter is filling of dilute dear water residue. There are very small few amount of the chemical, so it drains the last small residue waste water and test the pH value as we talked about before. To verify if it is clean. Then we got the new filter. We open the purge valve to balance the air pressure and the inside pressure to let the pressure inside equal to the atmosphere pressure. Because a new filter, the inlet connector and the outlet connector are sealed. So first of all, we open the purge valve to make the inside pressure equal to the outside pressure. Then open the drain valve to drain the retaining liquid inside the filter. The new filter full of retaining liquid to make and sealed all the connect, and the inside full of the retaining liquid to do the prevention of the filter. And drain complete the retaining, we are going to renew the filter. We disconnect the old filter, the used filter, and install the new filter to the inlet piping and the outlet piping. A chemical assembly style filter renew completely. Now we are going to renew the gas filter. The gas filter of the workbench usually see is the nitrogen filter. Sometimes we have the argon filter. First of all, we close the inlet and the outlet valve. This is the gas filter used. Step B, we renew the filter. To remove the used filter and install a new filter. Step C. Open the inlet and outlet valve. Open these two valves again and renew gas filter completely. Next, we're going to renew the filter, the chemical filter, which is inner style. The inner style, the filter inner style is just like this. There's an inner filter inside the shell. So outside is the filter shell. The filter shell installed inner filter inside. At first, also open the purge valve and the drain valve to drain the residue and test the pH value as we talked about last time. The step B. Use the filter out. We'll remove to take the used filter inner filter out. Step C. Install the new inner filter into the shell and let the renew filter completely. Okay, so see you next time. We are going to talk about the maintenance of the workbench again continuously next time.